the 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. This is a car that we've seen so many of them for the years, and I say this all the time, and you walk right past them, and you just don't think much about them. But when you stop and look in this car in this medium saddle interior,
Beautiful.
with the medium saddle metallic exterior and the medium saddle interior, and it's got side pipes, and it's just, and the hardtop, it's just a cool looking car.
Yep.
That brown, something about it, and the paint it's like kilometers deep. Oh no, sorry.
You're in Denmark. You're in Denmark.
Denmark thing.
Yeah.
Miles deep. Numbers matching 350, L48, which is the 180-ish horsepower versus the 210.
Right.
Borg-Warner T10 manual. Hardtop and the soft top.
Yes.
Richly appointed interior. And it's got an Edelbrock intake and carb. And it's the last year for a while. Was that yours?
That was it. I wrote that down.
Last year for a while for the convertible.
For a convertible. Last Corvette convertible till 1986.